Hello everyone, myself Ridham Arya,
And myself, Dhruval Thakur. We are from BTech final year.
and this video is a part of our project for the course of AI Ethics and Data Governance.
Hope you enjoy it.
Hey Dhruval, you have wondered how Instagram exactly knows what kind of content to suggest? Like, how does Google seem to finish your sentence before you just even type it? I guess I know that that's artificial intelligence at work, my friend, and it just studies your current behavior and it predicts what you want next. But like, do you know is this brilliant technology keeping our human rights at check?
That's a good question, Rhythm. But that instant prediction does feel magical. But here's the catch. Did you read the policy before signing up for this technology? Probably not.
Yeah.
That brings us to today's topic, the ethical dilemma of AI.
So let's start with privacy. Recently, a lawsuit accused OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT, of scraping private user data from the web to train its models. So think about it. Emails, social media posts, even sensitive information might have been used without explicit consent. So this raises serious concerns about how our data is being used and abused by AI developers.
And it's not just OpenAI. Meta was allegedly accused to harvest data of users to train their models from Instagram and Facebook. But the bigger question is, who owns this data? The users, the platform, or no one?
Here's another story. iTutor, an AI driven hiring platform, was sued for rejecting older candidates unfairly. So it turns out that the algorithm had a bias against older applicants. So this isn't just unethical, it's illegal.
And the US Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is cracking down on such cases. But it's a reminder that AI is only as far as the data we feed it. If historical biases exist, AI perpetuates them only faster.
Also, globally, governments are waking up to the risks, with the EU leading the way with its groundbreaking AI Act to classify AI systems by the risk levels. Speaking of laws, the world is waking up to AI's massive impact. In the EU, they are finalizing the AI Act, which aims to categorize AI by its risks and ensure transparency. High risk systems like ChatGPT would need to follow strict regulations, including human oversight.
And in the US, things are heating up too. President Biden's recent executive orders are pushing for greater AI accountability, especially around privacy and safety. They have called for AI regulations that hold developers responsible while keeping innovation in check.
And let's not forget China, where the government is already regulating AI's ethical use, focusing on everything from deepfake technology to how AI impacts society. Countries across the globe are realizing the needs for rules and fast. So, what's being done? The EU AI Act mandates transparency for tools like ChatGPT. Meanwhile, the US is working on executive orders to enforce AI safety. But tech companies are also innovating. Take federated learning for instance. It trains AI without accessing the personal data directly. A win for privacy.
And the causal AI is on the horizon, promising to fix the correlation isn't causation problem that makes some AI tools unreliable. These advancements could make AI more ethical and trustworthy.
Takeaway: AI is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. Whether it's ensuring fairness, protecting data, or regulating misuse, governments, tech companies, and users like us all have a role to play.
So next time Instagram shows you a too perfect suggestion or an AI tool amazes you, ask yourself, what's the trade-off? And let's demand transparency, question biases, and build an AI-powered world that works for everyone. So let's make AI ethical because human rights are not optional.